coach, Mr. Magnifico. It's a pleasure to be here back with this video. It's called Module 4, Lesson 30. So we're going to divide decimals, which is right here. Divide decimal dividends by non-unit decimal divisors. There you have it. All right, let me show you the first way we're doing in class. Our first way is we're going to convert that one into 42 hundredths divided by 7 hundredths. Okay, so that's one way. So we're going to make them whole numbers. How do we make them whole numbers? By looking at how many digits do we have on each of them after the decimal point. So now we're going to multiply them by 100. So that's how I know, because they're hundredths. So we multiply them by 100, and that's going to become 42. And 700 divided by 100 equals 7. Now, this is something that we've done in the past, but let me just review really quickly. If you have, here's a decimal point, and you have 42 hundredths, right? Let's see, 42 hundredths right here. These are the tenths, and these are the hundredths. Okay, and these are going to be your ones and tenths right here. So if you're going to multiply that by 100, just like we showed right here, the number has to become bigger, right? So that we're going to move the number, multiply it 2 times by 10. So it goes here and here. So now the 4 becomes 40. And the 2, we're going to go 1, 2 becomes 40. 2, 1. So that's how we get this 42 right here. The 7 is the same exact procedure. Let me do the 7 right here on the bottom. See if you, I don't want to confuse you, but here's how you do the 7. So you have 7 hundredths. When you multiply it by 100, you move each number to the left 2 times. 1, 2. That's going to be a 0. The 7, 1, 2. So now the 7 is not 7 hundredths, it's 7. So these are the numbers that we end up with as the answer of the multiplication, which is this right here. All right, and you know that's a division, right? So it's 42 divided by 7 equals 6. Okay, that's one way to solve this situation here. So here's strategy number 2. Let me write this down. Strategy number 2. So this is how you do this one. You're going to write 42 hundredths, but in a fraction form, divided by 7 hundredths, again in a fraction form. Now you multiply across. Actually, our trick for dividing, we use something called keep, flip, change. Here we go. So we're going to keep the 42 hundredths. We're going to flip, change. This is let me correct the arrow, my friends. The arrow should go to the other one. So let's see. So it's gonna be keep. Actually, let me write this correctly. It's going to be keep, change, and you flip the last one. So we're going to keep the 42 hundredths. We're going to change the division symbol for the multiplication symbol, and we're going to flip the last fraction. It's going to be 100 over 7. Okay? Again, we're going to simplify this by dividing this by 100. So this is divided by 100, which equals 1. And this is divided by 100, which equals 1. So now you say 40 times 1 equals 42. And 1 times 7 equals 7. And as you can see, the answer is going to be the same. So remember to write this on the answer side. 4200 divided by 700 equals 6. My friends, watch the video. This is a really good, simple video. This is your Module 4, Lesson 30. Your coach is helping you, my friends. Make sure you are taking advantage of this wonderful situation here. Signing out, your coach. from Gravity 2 Studio.